welcome to the United Kingdom. This is Dover Cliffs. There's a castle over here somewhere, but we're here today. Oh, we're gonna RC the UK. Let's go. All right, everyone, I forgot the preview screen, so I'm hoping this is gonna frame right, but oh, bloody hell. Wait a minute. She almost went way down into... Of course, the Grom's not the best in grass, but it was easy to travel with, packing the suitcase. Ooh. Oh, the trim is way off on this thing. See, yeah, it just keeps wanting to shoot off to the right. Now it's wanting to go to the left. Oh, turtle. I think I got it. There we go, now it's going a little bit straight. All right, we got the trim situated. Having a hard time because of that. Well, the Grom's not the most capable thing, but it's doing pretty good. This is a little bumpy for it, but and the grass is a little bit too thick. Right here it does good. All right, guys, well, we're gonna find other places in the UK to drive the Typhon. All right, everyone, we are in Wales. I found a cool little spot to run the Grom. And I don't know, I feel like I've seen this place before. I can't quite place it though. I don't know. Well, let's see how the Grom does. Oh no! Oh, that's a cool little spot to run this car.
You bloody Americans, watch where you run any cars!
I tell you, these people in Wales, rude.
Hey!
Man, this guy looks familiar. I can't quite place it. This place looks familiar. This guy looks familiar.
I think I've seen you before somewhere as well.
I get that a lot.
How are you finding gas?
Very hilly.
Very hilly.
Guys, Chris with the C. It's the whole reason, well, not the whole reason I'm here, but we've taken over his little bash spot with the Grom. You know what? I do have a gyro. I should use it.
Oh, I'll get it for you now.
See, the thing's just a bit bouncy. I do got to tune it.
Tough little cookie, mate.
Yeah. Armor tough. That's the first time I've seen him do a wheelie. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching RC cars through Europe. Sorry I couldn't get Paris. It was raining and nasty and just really too crowded. But we got London, we got Wales, so I guess this was RCing the UK. Everyone, appreciate the support. Links down below if you want to save you some money, get you some discounts. Got ways to help the channel, affiliate links and stuff like that, so I could bring you this content. And that's it. The Groms had enough. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. We'll see you in the next one.